To refer to an object or item. Important thing, small thing, big thing. The most important thing is to stay calm. It's just a small thing, but it means a lot to me. To indicate an idea, concept, or situation. Good thing, bad thing, best thing. It's a good thing we arrived early. The best thing about my job is the flexibility. To express an activity or habit. Do your thing, have a thing for, make a thing out of. Just do your thing and don't worry about others. He has a thing for vintage cars. She always makes a thing out of small issues. To represent an event or experience. Last thing, first thing, next thing. The last thing I need is more stress. The first thing you should do is check the instructions. To describe an unspecified object or idea, something, nothing, anything. Is there something I can help with? I have nothing to say about this. Let me know if you need anything. Common collocations with thing. One thing, the whole thing, the right thing, such a thing. There's only one thing left to do. I don't understand the whole thing. You did the right thing by telling the truth. I never expected such a thing to happen.